This is Production Analytics, digital solution designed by STAKMA for pallet production companies to automatically collect, display, and interpret production data. This solution offers flexibility for operators, line leaders, and executives by displaying data according to their needs on various devices, from screens on factory floor walls to iPads and mobile devices. Each produced pallet with PalletMax or PALLETSTAR machines is transferred to our online server and automatically added to database. This is PalletSTAR machine. It's designed to produce standard and non-standard pallets and equipped with the newest ABB robot to help operators work easily and loading pallets from machine automatically to stacking boxes. Each produced pallet is transferred to ProductionAnalytics server and added to database. Let's see how it works. Open your web browser and enter STAKMA.net in the search field. After the page is loaded, enter your username and password, which was provided by STAKMA company, to log into Production Analytics server. You have successfully logged into the server. Click Production Analytics on the top left corner, select Active Machines, and press Analytics to enter the database of production. Here is the main page of collected production data. We can easily see generated data such as total pallets made, pallet types produced, pallet production of selected month, and pallet production archive. Move the cursor over selected date and see how many pallets are produced in selected period. Click Previous button to view previous period. Or click Next button to get back to actual period. Let's move forward to the pallet production this month. Click Previous button to view previous period. Or click Next button to get back to actual period. Here we can see how many pallets are produced in total. What type of pallets was produced is marked in the different colors. We can choose date-time interval to generate data we need. Let's move over the top and select the date to view how production was going with our pallet production machine. Here we can see pallet production data generated in graphical view. In pallet production, we can see how many pallets was produced actual date and how many pallets was produced previous date, so we can compare production data with previous working date. We can see how many pallets are produced of each hour and what was production time of each pallet. Move cursor over yellow square to see what was the actual pallet production time. Produced pallets are marked as yellows and downtime is marked as grey. In this view, you can easily see is production are going well and take actions to minimize downtime of production. The main purpose of Production Analytics solution is to improve the visibility and productivity of factories through 24/7 monitoring of production machines. This continuous monitoring allows executives to easily identify downtime and take action to minimize them, thereby enhancing production quality, view production volumes, reducing machine downtime, and more. Read more information about our solution on STAKMA.com website.